Everybody, what's up and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Shruti and I make videos related to curly hair, beauty, fashion and lifestyle. If you like what you're seeing so far, then make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel because it's free and why not. In today's video, we'll be talking about a new launch by Garnier. It's their Vitamin C serum. It's a fairly new launch. I've been using it since few days now and I wanted to give my review on it. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started.
Hey, no.
First, let's talk about the packaging of this product, which is really good, by the way. It has a glass bottle and a dropper packaging. I really like dropper packaging in serums because it's so easy and hassle-free. 2 से 3 drops डाल लो, rub it and pat it on your skin and you're good to go. And जो look दिया हुआ है बहुत ही minimalistic है, simple दिया हुआ है, which I really like. And you're gonna get 30 ml of this product for 449 rupees, which I feel is really good. बहुत ज़्यादा quantity में मिल रहा है for 449 rupees. Serums usually higher price end में होते हैं, around 1000 से start होते हैं because बहुत ही active ingredients होते हैं उसमें. And this you're gonna get at 449 rupees for 30 ml, which is a really good price. Also, it does have fragrance. It has a very lemon citrusy scent to it. The consistency of the serum is super lightweight and blends in really well. It absorbs really fast, which is amazing, and does not leave any sticky or oily residue, which is amazing for this Indian hot and humid climate. Now let's talk about the ingredients in it. It has yuzu, lemon and 30 times vitamin C. That means it has a good concentration of it. And if you don't know about vitamin C, it is one of the best and well-researched anti-aging ingredient out there in the market. And if you want to maintain smooth, even and glowy complexion, this is the ingredient you should be looking for. Vitamin C provides hydration, it brightens and evens out skin tone, and that's exactly what they're claiming to do. To reduce dark spots in 3 days. Again, it won't get rid of it completely in 3 days, but you'll definitely start to see that it's fading away eventually. Now let's see how I include Garnier Vitamin C serum in my daily routine. Make sure your face is nice and clean. I'm gonna use Garnier micellar water to get rid of any makeup or dirt on my face. Apply toner. Next, apply the Garnier Vitamin C serum. Just drop few drops onto the fingers, warm it a little and gently dab it onto your face. Don't forget to cover your neck. I like to use it twice daily in my morning and night routine, and that's how it's suggested by the brand as well for the best result. In my morning routine, I make sure to follow up with a sunscreen if I'm stepping out. If you want to see good results, make sure to use it twice daily. It's lightweight, so best for sweaty weather as well. And this is how my skin looks like. It gives an instant glow to my face and it feels hydrated throughout the day. So that's it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Product links will be in the description down below. You'll find it easily on Amazon and they're running a 10% introductory offer. So if you're planning to get it, definitely get it now. So yeah, that's it. Don't forget to hit that like, share, subscribe, do all that good stuff. And the comment shout out goes to Kelly. Thank you for your comment. It really means a lot. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I had a dream, we were sipping whiskey neat. I used to float the Bowery when I was high enough.
Spider-Man's control and Batman with his fist. And clearly I don't see myself upon that list.